Hi, love people. Welcome back to my channel, Rainy Creativity. So I'm getting ready to my children's school party. So the head wrap I'm doing, I want to share with you. Very simple and easy. So this is a Jessie scarf. Okay, it's 2 years, and I just chose the color with the dress. I hope it's not bad. I want to look green. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just go like this. Like I said, I want to do something very simple. So I'm going to cross it at the back like this. Well, this one, I just want to cross it halfway like this. Okay. And then tuck it in here at the back. Very simple. Okay. Something like this. I want it to slant. Okay, so now on this side, I want to cover the top as well. So I want to cover the top, so I'll take this side like this. And then use my hand inside it like this. Okay. And then take it. So we take it round. So when we get here, I'll just pack this down here. I'll pass it down here like this. Okay. And then go round to create a beautiful it's a flower. Yeah, just create something here, okay? Just create something here with it like this at the back. And then I'll just join it by using a straight pin, office pin, silver pin. Okay, so I'll do it from here. I'll pin it from inside here. Okay, so here's the back. And then the front view. I hope you love it and you're going to give it a try. It's very, very simple. All right, so at this point, I'm good to go. So I'll just put on my earrings, and then maybe when I get there, I may show you a little bit of the place, okay? All right. Thank you for watching, and then don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to be learning more of head wrap tutorials, okay? Remember to give me a like, comment, let me know what you think about this head wrap. Okay, any question you have, just drop it under the comment section for your girl, okay? So see you there. Bye. But wait, let me put on my earrings and let's Balloon.
Look balloon.
Wat doe jij hier?
Okay, Jason.
En die kan van Jason Koen.
Daarvoor die kant zeker of wat? De E-blok, dat is die hè?
Ja.
Ja, maar waar moeten we langs?
Als de kleuters gedaan zijn, dan moet ik naar daar gaan.
Nee, je moet mij wijzen, ik moet dus
Oh, daar is het.
Uh-oh.
Waar is het?
Papa. Hey.
Zo komen die bank ook eens hier aan. Argentina keke. Hey, awade. Yo musa awade.